Did you know that the Blue Man Group just came back to Orlando, Florida? I said came back because they used to be there at Universal long time ago. I've seen them there. And they just started having their own space at Icon Park, which is on I Drive in Orlando. I have seen the Blue Man Group maybe 5 times in Vegas, in Philly, in Orlando, and some other cities. Oh, Vegas again and again. So, needless to say, I am a fan. So I highly recommend it if you haven't seen them. I want to say though, I've seen them 5 times, but throughout these years, they're not exactly the same each time. By that I mean with the technology and everything that is advancing, they also slightly modify the acts according to the technology. Like nowadays, should I ruin it for you? No, I shouldn't. You should really just go see it. Anyway, so I figure if you haven't been to Icon Park, I'll give you kind of like a walkthrough tour, both in the morning right now when there's almost nobody, and at night so you can see the difference. By the way, Icon Park here has the Orlando Eye, kind of like a play off of the London Eye because I'm from London, so I like to say that. And this Starflyer, I think it's called. Yeah. So yeah, look around with me, and later on I'll show you which place I chose to stop at and have a drink or something. saw my other videos, you know that usually when I travel to different places, I'd like to get some tastings of the beers and wines because I think that's part of the local culture. For Orlando, I've always wanted to come to Icon Park and go into the winery and tasting place. They're both beer and wine. So, right up my alley there. They do serve food, but the food is pizza. I am not a fan of pizza, so I skipped the food and I got a wine flake and then a beer flake. Which I didn't include in the video is that I then stopped somewhere else to eat food, which is outside Icon Park. I actually stopped at a Five Guys next to my hotel to get a burger. So yeah.
No, it's top three bartender. No matter what he says. I
And once I came out of the winery slash brewery, it's already nighttime, so I can show you what Icon Park looks like at night. Bear in mind, this is a weeknight, so it's not as crowded as the weekend, obviously. This is the Orlando Eye. Pretty at night, huh? And I'll show you the starfly as well at night. I've never been on it because and if you know me, you have seen my other videos, you know that I have a lot of season passes to different theme parks, so I don't need to pay extra to go on this particular one. So I've never done this one. I've been on the Orlando Eye till like twice or three times. I recommend it, especially now that Epic Universe is open, because it's right there, you can see it.
feel like I ate it. It was good. Vale, y simplemente es como es simple.
I pushed it. Yeah.
Wait to cross. Jamaican Port South and International Drive.
Yes. As always, I know that there were plenty of things you could have done instead of clicking on my video about 16 minutes ago, so I really appreciate you choosing me. If you like my vibe, I hope that you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.